Hello, welcome back to another video. Subscribe. Today I'm making shelves, and you know, this kind of could be kind of a turn from what I was making in my last video. I was sewing. You know, my channel's kind of turning a little random, just a little bit like this much. I don't know if you can hear the fan in the background, but if you can, I'm sort of sorry because I can't stop it. Today I'm making shelves, but I'm making like interesting shelves. I'm making these shelves, you know, they're kind of like basic shelves I got from Walmart. But with these shelves, I plan on cutting this. I don't really know what this is, and I got this from like a package, like a box. I just took it because I was like, ooh, I can make this into something. The thing is about this video, or about today, is that I've never really made anything before. Whatever, you can't really see. I know what you're thinking. Got the sandals on and everything. You look like you've made things before. You look like you know how to use machinery. You look like, look. Don't look at my palms, it'll show what I really do. Literally nothing. You look like you build stuff. And to you, I would say, you're racist. You're just saying that because I'm Mexican. How dare you? But also, you're right. The only I'm trying to, excuse me. Don't get closer to me, please. It's my first time using machinery because I really want to get into like building stuff, like making tables, maybe even make things from scratch, like have a whole wooden panel and like make a door out of it. I don't know. It's a dream. You are welcome to criticize me if I'm doing things wrong, or you have tips on how I can improve what I'm doing if I'm not doing things completely wrong. Don't go crazy, but I'll allow a little crazy. Poquito. Spanish. So right now I have these shelves. I have this very hard cardboard. I don't know what this is. Okay, I don't know what it is because I don't have scissors or a blade that I'm good with that I can take shapes out of. It's hard, you know? Probably bend it a little bit. All the tools, like all the extra stuff that I'm using, are stuff that I bought from Walmart, pretty much. I bought this hyper tough, jigsaw, yeah, I totally forgot. And I have tested it out, that's why it has the blade in it and everything. Try to cut a piece of wood. So I'm not 100% new to using this. I've never really made something before out of it. And other things that I have is I have bought these clamps. You know, all these things are like not the best brand, or they may not be the best for whatever I'm doing. Also got an extension cord because my jigsaw requires a cord and I want a long one. And I also got these safety goggles. Oop, this is great. I'm having a good time. How I look? Do I look cute? So exciting. At first I need to make the design on the shelf. My goodness, I'm on my knees. We don't be on our knees in this household. We'll be on our knees for us. I kind of wanted to fit the whole shelf, so I'm gonna cut it this way. And the idea I have is to put like a little bit of a curve, like a bit of a wavy shelf, like make the shelf cool. Like, you know? So the darker line is what the curve idea I have for it. Now I'm done looking at it. Probably make this curve much deeper. Where's the pencil? Yeah. And that could be the shape of the shelf. that I feel like would be neat. Also, I found this pin in the garage. Team boy. Time to cut this. Safety. It's cutting. I'm just scared of. No point in being scared. Anyways, that was nerve-wracking. It's nerve-wracking because of the sound and because I'm not used to doing things with such violent sounds that I feel like I'm doing something wrong, which I know I'm doing something wrong, but it makes me feel like I'm doing something really, really wrong. But it cut. The cut's pretty clean. Won't need to do a lot of sanding. Okay, time to saw the other side, and I'm pretty scared, but I'm also very excited. Everyone, I have a surprise for you. We are now closer to the ground. And you know what they say, the closer you are to the ground, the closer you are to hell. I'm having so much fun, but I have this looming fear that I'm doing everything wrong. So the next thing I'm gonna do is sand the corner of these with this sandpaper. I knew using the saw table was a bit dramatic because this material is in fact cardboard. I could have just used this. I'm cutting off a bit of the extra parts that I didn't get, and I already got, you know, up here, the top part. I also have to cut off a little bit off the ends so it can actually fit on the bookcase. Mama's working. I'm using this pencil to kind of get a roundness to it, and so I'm doing it. So I'm gonna continue what I was doing. Is this looking alright? The other side. This is another one, I mean. They're not exactly alike, but that is perfectly fine. They're more alike now than they were before. Kawaii. You know, I've always been interested in building stuff ever since my stepdad built me and my sisters a dollhouse, you know, out of wood. It wasn't like the most beautiful thing in the world. I've always wanted to be one of those people that decorated it for real, like put actual carpet in it, real LED lights. You know those videos on YouTube of Barbie houses that are like really done up? I wanted to do that. And ever since then, I've been into building things. But I never really got into it because I was like, how the hell do you build things? Or I don't know how to get wood or where to get wood and all that type of stuff. I didn't know. But now I want to do it for real. I want to be a real Barbie builder. So my idea is to put this out. Put this like this. Like, you know, they have this extra spot right here. Just like this. But they have some extraness at the end. So I'm going to try to make it, you know, the same size. My back hurts. So I had taken out the little things behind there, mainly because when I spray paint it and all that, let's measure these to make sure they're the right sizes. Look at a closer action. the ends are cut. And then I will sand down these. So this is what I have for one shelf and for the other shelf. How's it looking? I'm gonna prime it. So this is what I'm gonna use to prime. And this is what I'm gonna use to color. Is what I'm gonna use to cover it, you know, at the end of all of this. Oh, actually, before I spray paint all these, probably should wipe it down and stuff because it has like dust or like stuff on it. So yeah, wipe it all down. So I'm about to use this spray paint, and I don't know if I'm supposed to spray paint these white ones since they're already white. I figured I still am going to since it's a primer, and you know, you prime things first, I guess. I'll just show you when I'm done priming them and when they're dried. But for some reason when I spray painted like the cardboard pieces, it became like a little bumpy. So I don't really know if that's like a chemical reaction or something. These are the pieces. And now I'm gonna spray paint it red. So I finished spray painting these and they're dried and all that, except I ran out of red spray paint, so there's some spots, this whole section right here, and the graininess of these was like bothering me, so I used sandpaper and I like grazed on top of it, not too much. I think I'm gonna use like regular paint, like acrylic paint, to finish the rest of these and paint over this. So I got these, you know, they look pretty great after hand painting them, and I kept running out of red paint, so it's kind of not exactly all the same color, like, but I still think it looks great. Probably should have hand painted them from the beginning. Oh, I already spray painted like the clear stuff on it too. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm not exactly sure, you know, if this is even an overcoat thing, but what else would it be? I don't know. But this is what I used. So my idea for this is that I'm gonna put the wood glue on it like this, and the shelves should look like that. That should be cool, right? Yeah. And this is the wooden glue I'm gonna put on here. Put it on here like on this side. Stick it on there, and boom. The shelves should be done. For the shelves to be fully done, I have to put these back on it. So these are the shelves, all done and all looking beautiful. Above the blue star. What? Below. You know, it looks a little rougher as you get closer, but it's more so because of the material and maybe how I was spray painting and stuff like that. But I tried, and I think they look nice, you know, for what they are. For the first time making shelves and learning how to do things. Oh my goodness, the camera makes it look like they're two different colors. They're not that different in colors. Oh, whoops. Well, oh, I've hit it against the wall. Anyways, looks a little rough back there. That's because of the glue. But there's really nothing I could do about it because I ran out of paint. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the shelves that I made. I think they look good. I have other DIY videos that you can watch, and I have other videos on other topics. I don't really have a lot of videos yet, but I will. Subscribe, leave a like, and definitely leave a comment. My first goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. That would be great. But yeah, basically, just see you next time. Bye.